Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to customize or how to change date and time in your Samsung A11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this phone and you are confused how to change date and time in your Samsung A11. I'm here for you to show you how you can change date and time in your Samsung A11. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, we need to jump over our device settings section. After click on settings section, scroll down and then you will find here something called the general management. So you're going to click that. After click on there, we will find here something called date and time. If we click that, we will see it's saying automatically date and time, and now we cannot make any changes in our device. So what you have to do if you want to customize your date and time in your Samsung A11, so you need to turn off this. When you turn off, immediately you will see something screen will appear. Here you can you will select the time zones currently where you are. You can easily select the time zone if you want to change. I'm just going back, and if you want to change the date, if you want to prefer date, you can easily type the preferred date. You can easily click here done. If you want to set the time, also you can choose the time you want. And if you want to PM, AM, whatever you want, you can easily set and you can easily click here done. And also you can, if you want to, if you're a fan of 24-hour format, you can choose 24. If you want to turn it off, you can easily do. So within this, so you can easily customize your date and time in the Samsung A11. Let me go back. If you want to you want automatic, you can easily automatic. So for example, if you're in Dubai or if you're anywhere, your GPS is going to recognize that country time and automatically your phone date and time going to appear at that time. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.